art friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing cat dog. Oh my goodness. All right, so to start with, we're gonna draw a little slanted line like this. And then underneath that, we're gonna draw another little slanted line, but not as big. And then we're gonna draw a line coming down, over, around, and back up. And it's a little wider here than it is there. Then we're gonna draw a line coming up like that. Then we've got the other leg back here, which is gonna go like that, and then it overlaps. And then it's kind of bigger. And then we've got some little paw lines. All right, then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Draw a line down, over, around, back up. Then we're gonna draw a line coming up, and another leg coming down, out, around, back up. There we go. Okay, then we're gonna draw a great big circle here, like that. And a line coming up, back down, around, like that. And we got a great big eye here, a bigger eye here, little eyeball, back down to the nose with a little shiny spot on it. And then we've got some crazy little teeth here. And there's dog in cat dog. And we've got some spots. Yup. Okay, now for cat. So for cat, we're gonna draw a nose coming like so, a line coming out, coming back, up, down, and around, like that. And then we've got some little teeth for cat. And then we have the line coming up, down, around, with a little bump. And then we've got an eye here. And then another ear here. And a bigger eye here. Oh my goodness, these two look so silly. All right. Looks pretty good. I think I got it. All right, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.